Debian 13 Trixie explained what they're not telling you. Debian 13 just dropped, and while the headlines talk about kernel upgrades and desktop tweaks, there's a lot of happening under the hood that no one's talking about. Let's break down what's really changing in Trixie. Debian 13, nicknamed Trixie, is the latest stable release of the world's most trusted Linux distro. It's faster, more secure, and more future focused, but it's also quietly shifting away from legacy systems. Debian is phasing out native 32-bit installs. Multi-arc support still exists, but if you're running old hardware, Trixie isn't for you. Debian now fully supports RISC v64, that means open source CPUs are no longer experimental, they're production ready. Trixie ships with Linux 6.12, bringing a real-time support, next-gen hardware compatibility, and better performance for Raspberry Pi 5 and AMD RDNA 4. Debian 13 includes advanced exploit protections, ROP, COP, and JOP mitigation, especially for AMD 64 and ARM 64 builds. It's enterprise-grade security baked in. You can now install Debian over the web, no USB needed. And if you're using BTRFS, new rescue tools make recovery easier than ever. Debian 13 isn't just a refresh, it's a strategic pivot. It's modernizing quietly, dropping legacy support and doubling down on open hardware and security. If you're upgrading, read the release notes carefully, especially if you rely on niche packages or older systems.